Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI video for free. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, we're going to use Google Gemini. So first of all, you can visit gemini.google.com, and then we need ChatGPT as well to create a prompt. And here I have already opened my ChatGPT and I have asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. We can copy the prompt and go back to the Gemini, and then we can ask Gemini to generate a video. Wait, I'm going to choose the tools. I'm going to select create the video with VEO, and then we can paste the prompt here, and you can click on this submit button to submit your prompt to the Gemini, and the AI will generate a video for you. Okay, now my video is being generated, and this can take 1 until 2 minutes. So just hold on guys. Okay, and now my video is ready, and I'm going to play it to show you guys. And yeah, that's so cool. And if you want to download your video, you can click on this download icon, and then the video will be saved to your device. And if you want to create a long video, I recommend you to create scene by scene. You can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for each scene, and then you can generate each scene with AI. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.